Dear friends, we are informing you a very sad news which held recently. Budgie singer and songwriter Burke Shelley has died at the age of 71. The news of death, however, for more detail, please subscribe our channel and press bell icon. The news of death was given by his daughter Illa Shelley in a statement on Facebook. She wrote on Budgie fans worldwide page, "It is with great sadness that I announce the death of my father, John Burke Shelley. He passed away this evening in his sleep at Heath Hospital in Cardiff, his birth town. He was 71 years old. Please respect the family during this time. However, cause of death has not been revealed. God bless their friends and family. May his soul rest in peace." Please subscribe our channel and press bell icon. Thanks for watching this video.